Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're going to be taking the flatbed, um, loading the backhoe onto it and delivering it to a job site. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Just going to go ahead and get the flatbed backed up and roll the bed down, pick up the backhoe and take it to the job site. Alright, so I'm going to get it loaded, and then I'm gonna have to load the wood. We do have a telehandler, so should be able to do that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the backhoe on. I'm gonna lift the front bucket and load it on. Hopefully we have enough room for the wood. If we don't, we'll have to make 2 trips. Alright, or I can see if I can tow a trailer with the flatbed. So looks like we'll have enough room if I bring the backhoe up. Just gonna drop it there. Well, actually, I'm gonna put the front boom down a bit. Alright, so now that's loaded, I'm gonna strap it down. Might have to pull the backhoe forward a bit. So it likes to slide because it's not strapped down. For some reason it's not strapping down, so hopefully without strapping it down it'll be able to stay there, or we can try and get some straps. Okay, there, just lift it up so it doesn't hit the exhaust. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and strap it down, and then it's gonna turn the lights on, hop in the telehandler and pick the wood up. I gotta get shorter forks. These forks are too long. Way too long. If we get shorter forks, hopefully we can do this a little bit better. Pretty sure we're gonna have to go to an accident scene after this. Dispatch said that there's an accident on the highway, or not the highway, the main road. So we gotta get it cleared up. Sounds like it's like a semi pickup truck collision. The trailer is like flipped up right, so it's like we can just easily pick that up and tow it out. I think what I'm gonna do is just load it on a flatbed and take it out on a flatbed, or get a truck to come and tow it away. It's the easiest thing. Just gonna unload the wood right there. So hopefully we can like bring the wood off with the backhoe, because I can't tow the telehandler on the flatbed since the backhoe is there. So it's gonna pick up this last pile of wood, and then we should be good to go. As you can see, we have the frame of a wrecker over there. I'm gonna try and get a small truck that we can use for like pickup trucks and cars. Just to easily tow away. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and park that there. I'm gonna strap down the wood, and yeah, we can take off now. So let's get it rolling. Hopefully we can squeeze through here. Yeah, We should be able to. Let's just see. Alright. If we can, I'll have to move our pickup truck. In the last video, you did not see that pickup truck there. We just got it. Mainly just gonna be for like shutting the road down if we have like a big recovery to do and traffic needs to stop. That's just basically gonna have our pylons and like the road sign. Alright, so just gonna turn our turn signal on. No one's coming. Alright. Alright, let's get it going. Hopefully the load stays down. I strapped it down to the wheels, so hopefully the backhoe will stay. Just got our lights on just in case so people know that we're towing a big load. Normally we would probably get like somebody else to deliver the backhoe, but we just decided to tow it there because we have a flatbed and no tow jobs right now. But eventually after this we're gonna have to go to the second tow job. That one's gonna be a little tricky. I think we already have tow trucks on their way to the scene, so hopefully they can stop the damage or the road, the cars. Yeah, sorry. If you hear that banging, we're just getting renovations done, so it's kind of hard to record videos when you have that in the background. So, yeah. Oh, okay, good. It was a yellow light. I thought it was red. We can't really stop that fast since we have a heavy load, so I'm pretty sure it was in this area. I might have went to the wrong area. I'm pretty sure it was a house, unless it was a business. Yeah, see, the house is up here. Alright, it was this one here. Wait, was it? No, it was this one right here. Yeah, okay, they're getting work done, so. They have a car in their driveway, so I'm just gonna, like, back this onto the driveway, and hopefully they can deal with it after. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw our four-ways on. Slide the deck back. I don't know why that wood is moving. Obviously it didn't get strapped down proper, so we might have to end up lifting the wood off the truck. Alright, just turn the truck off. Unstrap. Just gonna unstrap this here. I don't know why this is not unstrapping. Here, maybe if we go over here we can unstrap it. No? Okay, yeah. Like I said, sorry about the loud noise. That's just renovations, so. Okay, what is going on here? I don't know why that's not. Alright, I'm gonna tip the bed back up and see if that's why. It seems to be stuck. Alright, so let's get this wood. It shouldn't be too heavy, it's just planks of wood. Okay, there we go. Just leave that there. Oh, the backhoe's about to fall off. Alright, let's just put this down all the way. Alright, so I'm just gonna pick this up and put it over here, and then get in the backhoe and try to, okay. So obviously next time we're gonna have to do better at unloading, because that wasn't that great. I'm just gonna end up putting the backhoe here. Just gonna put the boom down, and then we can take off. Just do this. We can turn our four-ways off, our lights off. Just go ahead and put this up. And put the bed down. And there. Alright, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. There'll be some more videos coming soon. Possibly some farming videos. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, subscribe. And, yeah. That's the end of the video.